Now, I've been talking about David Tepper speaking out on the markets, telling me but it was serendipitous that we were talking about the Carolina Panthers and the Pittsburgh Steelers, and I said, what's your market? How are you feeling about it? And he basically quickly said, I love riding a horse that's running. I said, what the hell does that mean? Is that the Carolina Panthers you're talking about or the Steelers? And he goes, no, we've been long the market and continue that way. He said, we should put in a qualifier, though. At some point, the market will get to a level where I will slow down that horse and eventually get off. So Tepper has been the subject of really positive comments from someone that maybe the best ever in the business, Stan Druckenmiller. So I asked him about Tepper and his comments, and Stan doesn't like to opine lightly very often, and I appreciate that he did this today, but he said, of the current market, I revealed a very bullish posture, intermediate term, in an interview on December 13th. Since October, when Powell guaranteed that he would not rescind the insurance cuts unless inflation was persistently above target. In other words, would not change even if trade and Brexit worked out. Since then, both have worked out, and the Fed is still whining about inflation being below target. In addition, Trump's election prospects have increased with 2 trade agreements and a big win in Iran, which the Democrats have responded poorly to. So, in his words, I am still riding the horse as well, and bullish intermediate term.
All right, so Druckenmiller and Tepper are both following the momentum on this and think that up is where the market is headed at this point.
In a nutshell, I think
significant.
Yes. And like I said, with Tepper's call, when you put in the qualifier, that I could slow this horse down.
That's the thing.
You know, they could be hours, days, or weeks. I mean, I don't know how long.
But probably important to say, too, that neither one of these 2 gentlemen woke up this morning thinking they were going to be advising or advertising what their position is. You happen to be in conversation with them, and this is what you gleaned
Stan
from those conversations.
didn't want to do. I mean, I appreciate it, but he said, if you must, here.
But just for people who think, oh, they're manipulating us and they're going to tell this so they can sell, that was not the intent either of them woke up with. They just tell you what they actually think about the market.
Right. Exactly. And you know what? You have to worry about saying something on a global financial and that's what sell-side people were. These guys have so much skin in the game. They got much bigger problems about whether they say something on CNBC that doesn't, because they have. That's why the buy side is so much. That's why even predicting.